Okay, the slides they are there. So in a very simple term, I have just written composting, that how we can have this process. अब ये एक natural process है. कल की पहले आपको एक photo दिखाता हूँ. I just crossed because it's rainy time now, so I cannot cross Sarita Vihar region. पानी बहुत ज़्यादा locked होता है वहाँ पे. So I had to travel from Okhla towards Tughlakabad, and then I join Surajkund Road in order to go to Faridabad. तो यू कैन सी द साइट, ये विजिबल है आप लोगों को? कैन यू सी द साइट? वो लैंडफिल जो पहाड़ सा बना हुआ है,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you can see that actually has some green planting as well appearing on its top. अगर आप लोगों को दिख रही जहां मेरा एरो है, you can see that there is some green plantation that is also being visible. दिख रही है कि नहीं दिख रही? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके, अगर नहीं दिख रही है तो मैं बता देता हूँ कि वहां पे ग्रीनरी है थोड़ी बहुत, बट व्हाट इज दैट? It's something that, okay, the waste is being discarded, the waste is being thrown away without any segregation, फेंक दिया है, discard हो गया है, उसका एक पहाड़ बनता जा रहा है, that is the landfill. The entire land space has been acquired and the dump is being thrown away and it is getting accumulated into a big heap, a kind of a mountain. और अब वो इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ चुका है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, be it be related to the environmental issues, be it be related to the odor that must be coming in the neighboring areas, गंदी smell आती है. Obviously, if such kind of condition is there, it will again cause diseases, human diseases, मच्छर बढ़ेंगे और बहुत सारी बीमारियां होंगी. So there is nothing that can be done. But what nature is showing up here is that even out of the waste, there is something green that is growing up. So that is nature. So that is what nature is showing you up, that why anything cannot be deduced out of the waste that is totally has been discarded by the mankind. So this process that is happening over here is because of this composting, that this heap of the waste material has been turned into a organic, rich organic matter, and that is why the plantation is coming up over there. So scientists or the researchers, in a way, they have controlled this process so that we can grow up the things over there and we can have समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट. वो इंसान की टेंडेंसी रही, वो मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि हम कैसे एक्वायर कर सकते हैं. सो दिस शोज अप दैट be it be any kind of waste, be it be the waste from the kitchen, be it be excreta, be it be animal waste, be it be waste from the farms, straws वगैरह जो निकलते हैं वहां से, wheat straws हैं या heaps हैं, जो भी sawdust है, everything that can be actually accumulated can be mixed up in a certain content and you can actually have a good thing out of it. So what actually is happening? What is there? It's nothing. It's a mixture of the components and we are just leaving it for some time so that the microorganisms, हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, हमने सिर्फ एक heap का mixture बनाया है, rest everything is being done by nature, so that microorganisms, which are commonly called as decomposers, they'll decompose the things up. Organic matter को बिल्कुल inorganic form में ले आएंगे. That will be a compost, a rich humus, black color loamy mixture that will be created out of it, that can be again mixed into the soil so that we can enrich it. सोचिए आप जरा, we started with utilizing the things from the nature. सेब है, सेब खाया, सेब का छिलका है फेंक दिया, बनाना है खाया, बनाना का छिलका फेंक दिया, कुछ भी है, पपाया का वो है छिलका है, मतलब एनीथिंग, बीट बी एनी किचन वेस्ट. ओके, टी बहुत कॉमनली बनती है, टी का जो वेस्ट है अगेन इट्स ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट दैट इज आफ्टर यूजिंग द टी वी डिस्कार्डेड अवे. Any such kind of thing, any kitchen waste that is being produced apart from the plastic bottles, anything that is totally, that is why the government abroad तो पहले ही था, but now in India it's being practiced that let us have the segregation from the initial point, जहाँ पे आप waste को discard कर रहे हो, have the biodegradable waste separate and non-degradable waste separate. That is why a green tin and a blue or red waste dustbins, they are being shown up, so that green, it means it can be, it's biodegradable. You can actually degrade it and it can be reutilized. It can be used again. So that is the good thing that is being tried to shown up here through this course content or through my lectures. So what is there? Okay, composting. It's the process of producing compost. Compost एक word है. It's nothing but a readily available inorganic material. A very simple definition. A readily available inorganic material that can be reused, that can be used through aerobic decomposition. Okay, there are two words. Aerobic means the microbes, they need to have oxygen. They need to have oxygen. Decomposition, that is, डिकम्पोज का मतलब होता है किसी भी कॉम्पोजिशन को उसके बिल्कुल ही उसके प्रिमिटिव फॉर्म में जहां से वो बना है उस फॉर्म में उसको वापस लेके आना. फॉर एग्जांपल बीट बी जैगरी, ठीक है, बीट बी केन वेस्ट, शुगर केन का जो वेस्ट होता है जूस निकाल लेने के बाद, लेकिन वो भी जो कंटेंट है, बीट बी सेलुलोज, बीट बी एनीथिंग, so they'll be reduced down to the sugars, they'll be reduced down to, so that is decomposition process of biodegradable organic matter. That is again a very important word, biodegradable. It cannot be plastic, it cannot be any other वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, thermocol जो होता है, cannot be degraded, or plastic or any such kind of stuff that cannot be degradable. But biodegradable means that nature can act upon it and can degrade it naturally, that organic matter. So what is being created out of it is the compost. Compost produced at the end of the process can be used in farming, gardening to improve soil quality. How it is being improved? क्योंकि organic farming में या organic farming या natural farming में that we do, we actually feed the field with inorganic salts, calcium, potassium, NPK जो बोलते हैं, sodium, potassium and phosphorus. These three salts, they are very commonly used. क्या होते हैं वो? chemicals हैं. They are dried chemicals that are spreaded into the field, and that is how they are being used up. And what we have out of them is, okay, वो chemicals कैसे बनाए जाते हैं, उनका process क्या है. There is no green technology is being used up, but they need to be manufactured because we had to feed the human population. Why? If it can be done in a natural way without any harm to anyone, and you are actually using the concept of zero waste management. आप waste को बिल्कुल degrade कर रहे हो. Again, you are using the waste. How good it would be. So, before going into the lecture, I'll just put up an example that जब ये मैंने पढ़ाना शुरू करा course, I just started practicing it. That any kitchen waste, बहुत simple सा मतलब procedure था जो मेरा था, कि थोड़ा सा गार्डनिंग का शौक है मुझे, तो बैकयार्ड में एक जगह थी, देयर वाज अ स्मॉल लैंड वेयर वी कैन पुट अप द प्लांट्स. सो व्हाट आई डिड, I just had the waste material that was being coming out of the kitchen. I packed it up, had it in one of the container, and I just dig one of the pit in the backyard. एक dig मतलब एक pit बनाया, खड्डा करा उसमें, ठीक है, करके उसमें वो सारा वेस्ट उसमें डाल दिया. जो सॉइल निकली थी उसको बीच में छोड़ दिया ताकि नेचुरल माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स उसमें रहें. थोड़ा सा पानी डाला ऊपर से, पुट अप द सॉइल, पैक्ड इट अप, पैक्ड द एंटायर हीप. आफ्टर 2 months डिग्रेडेड था वो बहुत ही अच्छे से. उसके अंदर जो मटेरियल था उसमें मैंने जो नेचुरल पत्ते गिरते हैं, जो गिरे होते पत्ते हैं, वो भी डाले थे मैंने. ड्राइड अप लीव्स थे तो मैंने वो भी डाला था. सिवाय उसके वो मतलब पत्ते थोड़े से अच्छी तरह से वो सूखे नहीं थे, मतलब they were not degraded, but apart from that all other kitchen waste was degraded. It was, I won't say degraded, but it was totally composed. It was totally decomposed in a very fine material. And मैंने उस मटेरियल को यूज करना शुरू करा. तो फर्स्ट आई फीड द पॉट्स, जो पॉट्स थे उनको फीड करा. तो इतना मटेरियल था ही नहीं मेरे पास, बहुत थोड़ा था जिससे मैंने स्टार्ट करा. बट यू वॉन्ट बिलीव दैट इन दैट एरिया वो नेचुरली ही उसमें ग्रीनरी आनी शुरू हुई. मतलब अदरवाइज इट वाज अ बैरन लैंड, बैरन इन द सेंस वहां पे मैंने कुछ लगाया नहीं था, लेकिन जब ग्रो करना शुरू करा तो उसमें कुछ वेजिटेबल्स लगाए थे मैंने. दे ग्रो अप वेरी फाइनली. सो दैट इज वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल that was being practiced, practically has been applied from this course, and it resulted into a wonderful thing. So what is compost? It's a natural decomposition process of the remains, maybe that can come from the plants, sometimes from animals decomposition material, or it can be anything from nature, natural things, and once living materials to make once living material यहाँ पे बोलने का मतलब है कि the microorganisms that act upon them, they actually excrete out some organic material, inorganic material, and अंदर ही वो रह जाते हैं, अंदर ही मर जाते हैं, and they add to organic content as well. तो inorganic और organic दोनों इकट्ठे मिल रहे हैं. Once living materials to make an earthy soil के जैसा dark crumbly substance that is excellent for adding to house plants or enriching garden soil. So that is an excellent way by which a waste can be converted into a useful product. Compost improves. Now, why do we need to have it? What can be benefit that can be achieved out of it? It improves soil structure. ये बात मैंने आपको उदाहरण पे ही बताई थी. सच में वो जमीन बहुत हार्ड थी, जो लैंड एरिया था, मतलब जो घर की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, बट इट टर्न्ड आउट टू हैव अ ग्रीन लोमी सॉइल, सूखी और अच्छा टेक्सचर था उसका. आई could figure it out that anything can be grown over here. The texture was improved. Obviously aeration has to be there, क्योंकि जब मैंने बताया कि पिट गड्ढा करा, उसमें मैंने मिक्स करा, obviously the air has to pass through, उसको कवर नहीं करना है बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से. Soil मैंने इसलिए मिक्स करा so that microorganisms they need to be there. So that increases the soil water holding capacity. A big benefit that is coming out. शायद आप लोगों ने गार्डनिंग में सुना होगा, आज की डेट में कोकोपिट मिक्स यूज करते हैं. कोकोनट मिक्सचर, द हेयर्स ऑफ द कोकोनट दे आर बीइंग यूज्ड अप, दे आर ड्राइड, एंड उसका बेनिफिट, सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट, वो खुद नेचुरली इतना कुछ इम्पार्ट करे ना करे न्यूट्रिएंट्स के तौर पे, बट इट हैज अ वेरी गुड वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी. सो विद कंपोस्ट उसमें दोनों फायदे हैं. आप ऑर्गेनिक मैटर भी दे रहे हो, न्यूट्रिएंट इंप्रूवमेंट भी कर रहे हो, plus the water holding capacity is also getting increased by use of this compost. It loosens the clay soils. Clay soils loamy soil होती है जो जुड़ जाती है, and उसमें aeration की वजह से roots में air नहीं पहुंच पाती. That plant try to show up some disorders, not disease but disorders दिखाने लगता है. So compost loosens that clay, completes the aeration process, and sandy soils they retain water. That is the quality. Improves soil fertility. ये तो बहुत ही बड़ी क्वालिटी है. Obviously अगर soil इतना अच्छा होगा, textured होगा, plus you have the content that actually improves the quality, the nutrient mixture of the soil, obviously the fertility will be increased and stimulates healthy root development. पौधे की जड़, बोलते हैं हमारे commonly बोलते हैं कि तुम्हारी जड़ें अगर मजबूत है तुम्हें कोई नहीं हिला सकता. So that is again here that if roots they are growing up very properly, the plant would prosper very well, and obviously if roots they are very healthily maintained, it will be free of disease. Organic matter food provided for microorganisms, that is nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus mineralized. So that is the very good thing that is coming out of the compost material, कि ये जो salts हैं जिनको हमें बाहर से स्प्रे करना पड़ता है या बाहर से डालना पड़ता है, they'll be included in that stuff, and you do not need to feed anything. So it works like wonders, and you are making it entirely out of the waste material. That is the good thing. So what actually is there, you had the organic materials coming out of your kitchen. अगर large scale है तो आप फार्म से जो waste produce होता है, जैसे sawdust है, any dried leaf materials, anything that is coming out of pulp or anything else, you can use it in order to have the compost. Be जब जूस बनाते हैं उससे जो पल्प होता है, जो फाइब्रस वो टिश्यूज होते हैं, they can even be used as, because they are organic materials. So that along with the oxygen, a proper aeration it should be there. Over the period of time, the microbes they will act upon it in the presence of moisture and will lead to formation of compost. Carbon dioxide obviously will be released, but this carbon dioxide is very well adjusted, is very well accumulated, क्योंकि कंपोस्ट में थोड़ा टेम्परेचर होना जरूरी होता है. कोई चीज बना रहे, आलू है, आलू हार्ड होते हैं, potatoes you just need to put in a cooker and with water, give it some steam, and with steam pressure obviously they'll become soft. So that is the purpose here. With the increased temperature, the things, they'll just soften down and the decomposition process will enhance. So that is why carbon dioxide helps in increase of temperature and energy. Obviously, the energy will be released, that will be released by the microorganisms that will be acting upon this organic content. So I hope the picture is clear about what the compost is, what is the process, how it happens. Guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I had a question actually.
Yes, Manaswini?
Sir, so in what form is the energy? Because that's one part I didn't understand. I understood the carbon dioxide, which increases the temperature, but what role does energy have here?
Okay, energy, it's just that is being generated over here. Heat, if it is there, be it be in the form of anything, be it be the heat that is being utilized by the microorganisms to thrive in that environment, to survive. क्योंकि इसमें एक phase होता है. There are two phases actually, mesophilic and then thermophilic. So some of the microorganisms, they need to be thermophilic in order to act upon that mixture. So that energy, it increases the heatness in the overall compost so that thermophiles, they can thrive in that environment and can degrade that can enhance the composting process. Manaswini.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So in a very simple terms, this slide, it shows that there are certain stages of organic matter transformation or decomposition. The first is that material need to be decomposed. So that gets decomposed by the action of microorganisms, then humification, humidified. Water content needs to be there. Obviously, it has to be there. Only then the decomposition would be successful. Otherwise, other microorganisms that are harmful, they'll come up. होगा क्या उससे? कंपोस्ट बनेगी, एक तो अच्छी नहीं बनेगी, decomposition proper नहीं होगा. Ultimately, the feed that you will be providing to the plants, it won't be useful at all, because plants, they need it in a very simplest forms in order to suck it from the soil for have their growth. So humification is very much required. Immobilization, it's actually the activity of the microorganism to decompose. That is the activity. So immobilization term here means that you allow that to happen over certain period of time. कुछ देर के लिए, कुछ टाइम के लिए, कुछ दिनों के लिए उन चीजों को बिल्कुल ऐसे ही छोड़ना पड़ता है. You need to turn it over after certain days. So that immobilization needs to be there for the microorganisms to act upon it. And finally, the mineralization. That is the inorganic matter and the organic matter that will be coming up out and will be mixing up in order to have that minerals being added up into the that compost. So what is the principle? It's nothing, मैंने बताया ही था आपको, एक नेचुरल वे है, बट नाउ इट इज बीइंग कंट्रोल्ड. कंट्रोल्ड क्यों करा गया? इस प्रोसेस को समझा गया, पूरे प्रोटोकॉल को जाना गया. There were some buts and ifs that were practiced upon it, that how you can achieve the best out of waste. तो उस चीज को अचीव करने में जो एक प्रोसेस डिजाइन करा गया, the standard operating protocol that was designed here is the principle of composting. So composting is controlled decomposition of organic matter. Rather than allowing nature to go its in a slow course, a composter जो compost कर रहा है, it provides an optimal environment, the conditions, the mixture of the compost, the microorganisms, proper moisture, temperature, everything is being maintained so that just to have the process in a very controlled way and in a more faster way. So it's nothing, it's being written over here to encourage the active microbes so that the pile, it gets degraded very soon, it gets decomposed very soon, and you need to have following ingredients in order to make the best out of it. A good carbon nitrogen ratio, ये बहुत जरूरी है. कार्बन कंपोस्ट में मैंने बताया था वेस्ट कहाँ से आता है, बीट बी एनिमल एक्सक्रीटा, बीट बी एनिमल वेस्ट, बीट बी एग्रीकल्चरल वेस्ट, बीट बी organic waste that is coming out of the kitchen. So the things that are coming out of kitchen, like vegetable peels or fruit peels, fruit rind skins, जो भी हैं, they actually are providing a lot to the nitrogen content. They are providing a lot to the nitrogen content. And the sawdust, the sawdust or the green leaves or the brown leaves that have turned out after a certain period of time that have fallen on the ground, they all be providing the content for the nitrogen, for the carbon. So appropriate mixture of both of these, because माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स उस हिसाब से ग्रो करने चाहिए जो कार्बन के ऊपर ज्यादा ग्रो करने वाले चाहिए, नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर कम, बिकॉज इफ द microbes that are feeding upon nitrogen, if they are increased in content, if they are much more in number, obviously they can turn into ammonia. They'll release odor. Ammonia is a gas that will be released out of it, so that fumes, they'll not be good. But if there is oxygen that is being present, working upon carbon will release carbon that will mix with CO2 in order to make carbon dioxide. That will actually help in this process. Oxygen from the air. So natural oxygen needs to be there. Nothing is that you need to put up in, but a natural oxygen. So that aeration process जो मैं बता रहा था कि कुछ देर decomposition होने दे, immobilization वाला process. After that, you need to rotate that material. मैंने नहीं करा था rotate. That was one of the mistake. तभी वो शायद पत्ते वैसे ही रह गए. But if it is rotated, the microorganisms will act upon the whole material as a whole. They'll act upon it and will reduce it to the minimal material that we actually want, the compost, and moisture that is coming from the water. So water needs to be added from the outside, and yes, it has to be there so that the mixture that is coming out is futile, is actually being used up as such. Nothing needs to be done. The organisms that feed on the organic material and through respiration generate the energy that they use for movement, growth, reproduction, or stored energy. So such energy that is being produced there is being again utilized by the microorganisms for them to thrive inside that environment. So thermophilics, when they are growing up, they need to have that growth in that environment, and they need to reproduce so that more and more number of microorganisms they can act upon it. Obviously एक lag phase आएगा जहाँ microorganisms मरते हैं, but again they'll be adding to the content, inorganic content. But the microorganisms अगर सारे ही मर गए तो decomposition होगी नहीं, so they need to reproduce. So you need to provide that environment so that they keep on reproducing themselves. The organism excrete inorganic material that enriches the soil. So that is the natural activity of the microorganisms that is again being used up here. So when the organisms they die, their bodies will again add to the organic content that will again be used up in order to have that compost. So I'll stop here. We have 10-15 minutes left with us, 20 minutes. So I'll just be having a recap to what we have discussed as of now, and would be happy if you have any questions coming in your mind. Maybe we can have a part of discussion out of it. So I talked about that how we people are, okay, we are creating waste बन रही है खुद ब खुद भी, क्योंकि कुछ चीज़ों पे हमारा कंट्रोल ही नहीं है. Anything if we are eating, there are some things that cannot be digested by our system. We need to throw them away. Sometimes we feed them to animals. Again, the dungs that are coming out of the animals, can they be used? Cow dung has been used since years, but can any other animal excreta can be used? Yes, it can be. Nature showed up in its own way that we have that heaped mountain where again the green things they are coming out. If that can be there, out of the total waste material, the waste can be created and we can have that greenery achieved again. So something, it means that there are some materials, there are certain contents in that waste that is being utilized by nature. और अगर nature उनको use कर रही है तो हम क्यों ना उसको enhance करके उसको दोबारा nature को feed करा दें, just to minimize the waste. So these, when Delhi government मैं यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल बताता हूँ. I don't know in which government it started up, but they had an excellent idea. In Bhopal there was landfills. In Indore में एक organic method है compost बनाने का, that is named as Indore method. Indore मध्य प्रदेश की city. So Delhi government have taken help from Madhya Pradesh government in order to have that composting process over these heaped mountains. तो ये कुछ हद तक natural भी है, कुछ हद तक ये induced भी है. ये induced करा गया है क्योंकि दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट का ये था कि they'll turn out into green mountains that will add to the beauty. Decomposition का प्रोसेस चलता रहेगा, लैंडफिल कम होगा और ब्यूटिफिकेशन भी होगी. So everything will be done, but people, or there is no involvement of mankind or humans, just need to add few of the things up here ताकि वो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स इस एनवायरनमेंट में ग्रो करें और एक नेचुरल कंपोस्ट बन के वहाँ पे ग्रीनरी मेंटेन हो जाए. तो दे आर कमिंग अप विद दैट आइडिया in order to have it as Azadpur side, Gazipur and this Tughlakabad. I don't know the fourth one. I have not even seen it. So we have talked about the process of composting. Composting है क्या? कुछ भी नहीं है, एक बहुत formulated version है soil का. Basically, I would say it's kind of a soil that is enriched in nutrients. That is enriched in nutrients. It's just like the normal supplements that we have. हम अपना खाना खाते हैं, उसके अलावा भी we try to have multivitamins or sometimes amino acids. We need them from outside, so that are not being generated in our body. So that is composting is just providing that supplement material to the soil so that we can have the best out of it. So compost is produced at the end of the process by decomposition, aerobic decomposition of biodegradable material, and that can improve the quality of the soil. Then we started with compost. Actually में है क्या, यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी दिखाई गई है जो हाथों में है compost. But if you make it at home, sometimes you may not get such a fine loamy soil. So there needs to be an appropriate mixture. It needs to be appropriately dried up in order to have the final compost that is being shown up here. So that is being manufactured rather than being घर में जो बनती है वो बिल्कुल भी ऐसी नहीं होती है. थोड़ा सा आपको लगेगा कि can it be used, but when you use it up, you can see the results out of it. So compost is being beneficial. It improves the soil, overall quality of the soil, not for a temporary period, but microorganisms, healthy microorganisms grow करना शुरू करते हैं. रूट नोड्यूल्स जो हैं, जहाँ पे वो माइक्रोब्स काम करते हैं, नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन बहुत अच्छी होती है, सॉइल का कंटेंट अच्छा होना शुरू होता है, ओवरऑल क्वालिटी ऑफ द सॉइल इट एनहांसेस, एंड दैट इज हाउ इट एड टू द ग्रोथ ऑफ द प्लांट्स, एंड it increases the other benefits that need to be there in the soil in order to have that water holding capacity. Otherwise we'll be adding up coco pit mixture and improving the texture of the soil and obviously aeration. It loosens and helps retain water. It improves soil fertility and stimulates healthy root development. Overall हर तरफ से प्लांट को एक बहुत अच्छी नरिशमेंट मिलती है, और प्लांट से हमें हर चीजें, maximum things that we had in our homes, they are coming out of plants. And organic matter, it provides food for the microorganisms that need to be grown up, that need to be feeded, so that when they grow well, they will help the plants to have better growth. So that is just a picture that shows up that this much material of organic materials we need to have, and the size of the ball, it shows that this amount of oxygen is required that is naturally being supplied through air, and you have this much amount of compost that is being generated. Carbon dioxide बहुत हद तक बनती है इसमें, plus energy would be released, that is again helping the microorganisms. So what stages do we have in organic matter transformation? It's in a very simple words, it's decomposition, humification, immobilization, and mineralization. We need to have the decomposition process initiated by mixing up the appropriate contents. Humification, moisture, it needs to be done, properly maintained. Immobilization, now the microbes, they'll start working upon it and they'll turn it out, they'll decompose the matter, they'll thrive in it, they'll have the natural reproduction process, they'll release energy, gases that will also be released, but overall the immobilization needs to be there so that they can act upon the material. And finally the mineralization process. Ultimately what you have out of it is the compost that is rich in minerals that can be provided to the soil in order to improve its overall quality. In principle it's a controlled process, that is it. जो पहले की हमने बातें करी हैं उनको अगर कंट्रोल कर लिया जाए, मतलब आप टेम्परेचर, जो भी पैरामीटर्स हैं, टेम्परेचर, पीएच, moisture, carbon nitrogen ratio, aeration, everything you are taking care of. So that is again microbes हैं, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं जिनसे हम एंजाइम्स एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं या और कोई भी चीज़ ऐसी है जो एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से. सो इफ़ वी प्रोवाइड देम नरिशमेंट, हम उनको खाना देते हैं, ग्रो करते हैं प्रॉपर टेम्परेचर पे, प्रोवाइड देम एरिएशन इन अ फर्मेंटर, and then we extract the things out of them. So it is the same way we actually control the environment for the process to happen, enhance it to have it happen in a more easy way and in less of time. और जब फाइनली वो प्रोसेस पूरा कंट्रोल हो जाता है, what finally we have is the rich composition, rich compost that comes out of it. So we need to have appropriate mixture that we add carbon, nitrogen, gaseous, that is oxygen that is naturally coming from the air, and water that moisten up the things up so that microbes they can thrive inside. And energy is being produced that is again being utilized by the microorganisms. They excrete that inorganic material, is adding to the compost, and when they die, that again is being utilized as the organic matter in the compost. So that is what we have discussed. I'll stop here. So before we just go into the discussion, would like to have any questions out of today's lecture by you people. So Adhish, Thoiba, Ayushi, Sam, Devanshi, Ishita, Jhanvi, Kshitij, I hope the things they were fine to every one of you. People were able to take out of it.
Yes, sir. So it was clear.
Okay. I hope the things, what I have told, they were simple, but I tried to make them more in a more simple version. So I hope it is clear to everyone. किसी का सवाल है यहाँ पे तो would be happy to have it. Any one of you?
Sir, how can we control the temperature if we are, like you said, composting in our backyard, we are composting. So how we can control the temperature of our compost?
We do not need to give Yukta. Temperature control करने का मतलब यहाँ पे ये होता है that you are taking up a measure of the temperature. मुझे पता है कि 37, 40, 45 पे या 60 डिग्री पे भी कोई कंपोस्ट का प्रोसेस जा रहा है. आई एम टेकिंग इट्स मेजरमेंट कि मुझे पता है कि अब जो टेम्परेचर है दैट इज बिन इंक्रीज्ड फ्रॉम 60, 70. इफ इट इज गोइंग अप टू 70, मुझे पता है कुछ माइक्रोब्स इसमें मरेंगे, बट थर्मोफाइल्स दे विल कम अप. नाउ हाउ डू वी कंट्रोल इट? फर्स्ट इज द मेजरमेंट. अगर टेम्परेचर उससे ज्यादा जा रहा है तो थर्मोफाइल्स ज्यादा ग्रो कर रहे हैं, they will make it acidic, the pH would change, composition will not be good. But how we can control it? हमारा ही बॉडी का टेम्परेचर है. whenever we release, why do we sweat? We sweat so that क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी से एनर्जी इतनी प्रोड्यूस होती है, that heat comes out in a form of the moisture is being expelled out of it, the water is coming out, that is the sweat, and what we have, that sweat is coming out, so that is the tendency of the body to accept the natural air. वो हमें ठंडा फील कराती है, वो हमें ठंडा फील कराती है बाहर से. So in same way, how we can control the temperature? measure करा, have the proper aeration. That is why we are adding up oxygen. Oxygen बाहर से उस चीज को control करेगी, temperature को lower down करेगी. When you mix it up, the air will go inside and will naturally reduce the temperature. So that is just one way of controlling the temperature. Otherwise, we do not need to have anything from outside in order to control it. Yukta.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Nihal.
Sir, how we will know that now our compost is ready and we can use it?
Excellent question. I can figure it out that you people are making interest in it. Okay. To know it, what is being done? There is a dip stick test. You need to have a stick, dip it inside so that it goes, it reaches in the middle, take it out. After some time, touch it. You can feel the temperature, the heat. ठीक है, अगर हीट है उसमें, आपका डिकम्पोजिशन का प्रोसेस बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. सेकेंड इज just take some of the material from the inner end, just see it if it has been decomposed. Decomposition का मतलब क्या होता है? In a very simple way, if I tell you, any वेस्ट मटेरियल दैट यू हैव यूज्ड, be it be organic, be it be inorganic, पत्ते हैं पूरी तरह से डिग्रेड हो जाएंगे. डिग्रेड होने का मतलब होता है टूट जाते हैं. they'll just go into the pieces, they'll just go into the pieces, and when you can see out of it, अगर वो पत्ते इंटेक्ट हैं, इसका मतलब वाटर कंटेंट ज्यादा था, पत्ते अच्छी तरह से डिकम्पोज नहीं हो पाए हैं. सो we figure it out, okay, we need to give it some more time so that process can happen over a period of time. Second thing, the process of decomposition, if it is going naturally, give it some more time, because things they are going in a very natural way, you can give it more time. Say if you have kept the compost for a period of 30 to 60 days, you can go for increase in 70 days or 80 days. Now the process is controlled up. अब तुम्हें पता है कि तुमने सप्लाई करना है, obviously you will need to have it fast. So what you will see, जो मैंने तुम्हें बताया, डिपस्टिक टेस्ट करो, उसको देखा गर्म है अंदर, इसका मतलब कंपोस्ट अच्छी तरह से हीट अप हो चुकी है. इसका एक फेज होता है, it will grow. When you mix up the things, it will be cool. The temperature will keep on rising because the microbes, they'll start working up, and again the phase will come when the temperature will go down. When it goes down, composting is being done. Nehal.
Thank you, sir.
Anybody else? Namrata, Manaswini, Shivani, Nandini. Okay. Just a brief discussion with you people. Can you ever imagine, can you think that how we can reap the benefits out of education that we are getting? इन चीज़ों का बहुत फायदा होता है, चाहे आपके पास पॉट्स ही हैं घर में, जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक कंपोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक कंपोस्ट. एक खाली पॉट है, पॉट को लीजिए, उसमें बहुत थोड़ा सॉइल होगा. अगर आपके पास बैक यार्ड या फ्रंट में कोई जगह नहीं है, सिटीज में फ्लैट्स में रह रहे हैं, हमारे पास आगे पीछे गार्डन नहीं है, जस्ट टेक द पॉट, टेक द सॉइल आउट ऑफ इट, add the certain materials to it, then add soil, just give water. जैसे बिल्कुल ड्रिप इरिगेशन होती है, थोड़ा सा वाटर स्प्रिंकल करना है, बहुत ज्यादा भी ना हो पानी, लेकिन गीला हो जाए वो, that is it becomes wet overall, and leave it for a month or two. See the magic that you will just see after a month or a period of 2. Just check out the things, stuff out of there, have it mixed up in the soil. उस पूरे soil में उसको अच्छी तरह से mix करके just feed it to the plants that you have in your home. See the magic. Truly I am telling you, just feed it to the plants. Feed क्या करना होता है? कुछ भी नहीं करना. पॉट के जस्ट ऊपर वाली मिट्टी के ऊपर इसको स्प्रिंकल कर दो, इसको डाल दो, leave it for certain period of time. The next time when you will just pour water, when you will just feed water to your plants, the mixture will go inside, and then just see the benefit that will be coming out of it. So any discussion on this part, it's most welcome. Any one of you?
Sir, can you please tell what materials we need to add?
Sorry?
Sir, can you please tell what materials we need to add?
Material, anything that is coming out of your kitchen. Anything means, मैं उदाहरण पे बता देता हूँ. नींबू है, नींबू निचोड़ा, बच गया वो, have it, just don't throw it away, put it in a packet. कुकुम्बर है, पील ऑफ करा, कुकुम्बर के छिलके उसमें डाल दो. कुकुम्बर के जो साइड वाले पीसेस होते हैं जिनको हम काटते हैं, जो अमूमन कड़वे होते हैं, just put it in. Oranges, peel it off, have the peels, put it inside. Anything, any such kind of material that you actually throw it, that is the organic waste. जो एक्चुअली हम डस्टबिन में थ्रो कर देते हैं, पैकेट इट. और चाय का वेस्ट, जो पानी में चाय पत्ती जो अनयूज, मतलब जो हम फेंक देते हैं, यू कैन पुट इट इनसाइड, जस्ट क्रिएट दैट मिक्सचर. इतना ही चाहिए आपको, मुझे लगता है हार्डली 2 दिन में आप इतना मिक्स ले सकते हो. यू कैन आस्क योर मॉम, योर मदर्स, दैट वी जस्ट नीड एप्रोप्रिएट अमाउंट. एक लिफाफा मिल जाए ताकि आप उसको पॉट में डाल के सॉइल से मिक्स करो, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स आ जाए, थोड़ा पानी डाल के सॉइल डाल दो ऊपर, लेट इट डिकम्पोज. बीच में क्या करना है, 10 दिन बाद, ज़्यादा लेट नहीं, लेकिन 10 दिन बाद उसको थोड़ा सा मिक्स को हिला दें. आफ्टर अगेन 10 days फिर हिला दें. आफ्टर 30 days 40 days यू कैन सी द स्टफ दैट विल बी रेडी. डायरेक्टली उसको लो, फीड कर दो प्लांट्स को. सो दैट इज द मटीरियल दैट यू नीड टू हैव.
Sir, You know how you had mentioned that they should be taking in more carbon than nitrogen because otherwise there would be ammonia.
Yes,
But
yes.
isn't don't plants, they can convert that to nitrites and everything, right? So shouldn't that also technically be good for the plant?
I didn't get it out that carbon and nitrogen ratio needs to be taken care of. आगे क्या बोला आपने?
So, sir, you said that if the amount of nitrogen is very high, then it'll result in ammonia, right? But then, can't the plants utilize nitrogen as well? I mean, that's what we learned so much.
Definitely. The thing is, हम एक स्टेप आगे चले गए हैं मनस्विनी. Just get back to the composting process. Now, we actually are already in a process. Plants क्या चीज़ों को utilize कर रहे हैं, कैसे करेंगे, that is the second thing. But when we are making the compost, we make it sure that the microorganisms that are growing, they need to be जैसे हमें चाहिए, जिनको गुड माइक्रोब्स बोलते हैं, जिनको नेचुरल डीकम्पोजर्स बोलते हैं. We do not want any other microbes to grow inside. What will happen? That microorganisms, they won't allow the decomposition process to happen. Foul smell जो नहीं होनी चाहिए, that will start coming out of it. अगर वो स्मेल आ रही है तो इसका मतलब आपका प्रोसेस सही नहीं जा रहा है. So that is why the appropriate content of carbon, so that the microbes that act on carbon waste, they'll act, that we need to have a higher amount rather than nitrogen microbes. क्योंकि अगर नाइट्रोजन के microbes बढ़ गए, they'll release ammonia, they'll add to odor. So we need to control the composting process first. आगे जो भी बना, हो सकता है नाइट्रोजन उसमें ज्यादा हो किसी एक मिक्सचर में, प्लांट उसको वैसे ही यूटिलाइज करेगा क्योंकि वो अपनी बिल्कुल सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में आ रहा है. मनस्विनी.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Anybody else for the question?
Yes, sir. So why are there flies when we compost anything?
तन्वी, क्या बोला आपने?
So why are there flies when we compost anything? I have seen some flies.
Flies?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Flies obviously they'll go जहाँ पे आपने गंद कूड़ा करकट फेंका है वहाँ पे flies होंगे ही होंगे. Flies भी decomposition के प्रोसेस में हेल्प तो करते हैं but in other way they can spread the disease as well. So we need to take care. Take care करने को क्या है? कंपोस्ट को कवर कर दो. नहीं है कुछ कवर करने के लिए, पत्ते डाल दो ऊपर, ड्राइड लीव्स जो नेचुरली गिरे हुए मिलते हैं उनको जस्ट उससे कवर कर दो. नीचे प्रोसेस चलता रहेगा. Flies won't be there.
Okay, sir.
So fine, I'll stop here. We'll take up the questions in the next class. We'll see you on Tuesday again. I was happy with today's class that you people have been really communicating in throughout the lecture and you had very nice queries. So would be happy to have such kind of questions in the coming classes as well. We'll try to make it more interesting for you people, while at the end we'll make it sure that we can have application out of it. So that is my main purpose. It's not all about study. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Stay safe, stay happy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You too, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.